What's going on, guys? It's Nando back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And on today's video, we're going to be taking a look at another Peak Design accessory to go along with your new iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, yada yada. This is the Creator Kit. This isn't new. This isn't something that came out specifically for the iPhone 15 lineup. However, it is something that's new to me, and I've been eyeing this for a while, and I'm actually excited about it because I like to shoot footage. I've been looking for ways and reasons to use my iPhone or Android, whatever it is that I'm using at the time, more to try to streamline my workflow. And I found this because I have several Peak Design bags, and I decided to take a look at their accessory line, and I found this little here contraption. So let's take a look at what it is, what it does, and who's it for. So let's zoom in a little bit first. Definitely super well built. It's a little proprietary connection port, or whatever you want to call it. And then this allows this to kind of swivel. And then you can tighten it up right there. So let's move this off to the side. All right, so what is the Creator Kit? So basically this here turns your iPhone, in this case, that I have right here, we're going to actually zoom out a little bit, into basically a connection, if you will. I got to kind of show it to you guys first before I can kind of explain it. So y'all saw that, how it kind of latches on. So it uses the MagSafe compatibility in conjunction with So let's rock it like this. In conjunction with their proprietary connection, and this does not feel like it's going anywhere. And the idea is that you hook this up to a tripod, to like an overhead rig, like I'm kind of using right now, and you're able to film with your iPhone without actually having to worry about mounting and unmounting and all that stuff, because you can pinch right here and then remove it, as you guys see there. So let me connect this back. And it's got this like rubber pad down here. So it connects like that. I'm assuming it's meant to be off to the side like this, because obviously there's not going to be any clearance. And then you set this bad boy up. Obviously not like that, but the idea is you set this on a tripod and then you're filming and you're recording. So this here retails for around $70 US. A very cool contraption to kind of do more with your iPhone. And super easy way to connect it to the phone with more security than just magnets, right? Because it has this little cinch here that goes ahead and connects there. And I'm excited to kind of see how I end up using this. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, what y'all think about this. Have you been using it? Are you looking for something like this? What is it that you like to use your iPhone for, other than obviously, texting and browsing the internet? Are you a content creator, and is your mobile device a go-to piece of tech in your arsenal? Like always, if you like this kind of video, if you like this kind of content, hit that like button. Please consider hitting that subscribe button as well. I'm going to take myself upstairs because I am sweating. And I'll catch you guys in further videos. Like always, it was Nando. Peace, salute, adios, and don't forget to stay geeky. That's the most important thing. See you guys.